Welcome back, guys. This is Alcoholic Endeavors, and today we are going to be making Tipsy Bartender's Bomb Pop Shot. It looks like a really simple recipe. It looks actually really tasty. I'm hoping it's going to be really good, but we're going to find out today and see how it goes. So, what you're going to need is blue curacao. You'll need cherry vodka, and you will need a pina colada drink. Not regular pina colada because it won't layer correctly. I'm doing these videos tonight since Saturday I will not be around. I might do a video Saturday, but we'll see. So, happy 4th of July, everybody. Don't drink and blow off fireworks. Or if you decide to drink, don't blow off fireworks. If you're blowing off fireworks, don't drink. Drink responsibly. I'm not liable if you get hurt. There we go. That's as good as it's going to get. Alright, so let's go ahead into making this. What you'll need is a base of blue curacao. We're going to see, yeah, that looks about right, because it's about 3 layers worth. So here's our pina colada mix. Well, actually, hold on. Yeah, that's fine, actually. I want to make sure before I did this. Alright, here's our pina colada drink. We're going to attempt to layer this on. It should layer in theory. Should. I'm hoping it does. And it did. Alright, so next up, what we'll need is our next layer, which I will not be talking through, and I'll speed up the video. Ooh, I filled that to the brim. And there we have it, our 4th of July bomb pop shot. It looks like it was layered pretty well. Oh yeah, that's layered really nicely. So there you have it, the bomb pop shot. Let's go ahead and try it out and see what we think of it. Huh, it was not what I was thinking of. It is good, but I was kind of hoping for a little bit more creaminess, so maybe a little less on the cherry vodka. Maybe blue curacao is not the choice, and cherry vodka is probably definitely not the choice for this. I kind of want to do a revision of this and do my own version of it. I mean, technically, cherry schnapps would probably work well. No, it wouldn't, because it would fall right through. Let's do another one just for shits and giggles. I'll pass all this, so you don't have to watch me do this. Alright, now I did something a little smaller. Let's see if it has a different taste ratio this time. Alright, that one went down a lot smoother. So definitely a little less on the cherry and probably a little less on the blue curacao, and it'll come out just fine. Cherry and pina colada is not entirely a great taste. Yeah, I don't know about that cherry. That cherry vodka and pina colada is not really what you want to do. I think you might want to go with like something else. Maybe go with something more tropical. Might be a better option, like dye tropical fruit rum or something to it or something, which I'm willing to find out and see if it works. I'll leave a comment down below whether it does or doesn't. But yeah, that was the bomb pop shot. Yeah, I don't know. I don't think I really cared for that one bit. It looks nice. Don't get me wrong, it looks nice, but it wasn't that great. There's some good ones out there, and there's some ones that are just a little questionable. And this is one of those. Anyways, thanks for watching. Hope to see you next time.